Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Thai spicy basil chicken is a flavorful and satisfying dish that brings together tender chicken, fragrant basil, garlic, fresh chili, and a savory sauce in one quick and delicious meal. Known for its bold combination of spicy, salty, aromatic, and slightly sweet flavors, this dish is a perfect choice when you want something exciting without spending hours in the kitchen. It is commonly enjoyed with steamed jasmine rice and can be topped with a crispy fried egg for an even more satisfying meal. The beauty of Thai spicy basil chicken is that the ingredients are simple, but when cooked together over high heat, they create an incredible aroma and deep flavor that makes this dish hard to resist. To begin, prepare your chicken. Ground chicken works especially well because it cooks quickly and absorbs the sauce beautifully, but you can also use finely chopped boneless chicken thighs or chicken breast. Chicken thighs tend to remain juicy and flavorful, while chicken breast provides a leaner option. If you are using whole chicken pieces, chop them into very small pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. Once the chicken is prepared, set it aside while you prepare the aromatics. The foundation of this dish comes from garlic and fresh chili. Peel several cloves of garlic and chop or crush them. For the chili, you can use Thai bird's eye chilies if you want a strong and authentic spicy kick. These small chilies can be very hot, so adjust the amount based on your preferred spice level. If you prefer a milder version, use fewer chilies or substitute them with a less spicy pepper. You can also remove some of the seeds to reduce the heat. The goal is to create a dish where the chili adds excitement without completely covering the flavor of the chicken and basil. Next, prepare the basil. Thai holy basil is traditionally associated with this style of dish and provides a unique peppery and slightly anise-like aroma. If Thai holy basil is not available, Thai sweet basil can also be used. Pick the basil leaves from the stems and rinse them gently before drying them thoroughly. Fresh basil is added toward the end of cooking so its aroma stays vibrant. Once all the ingredients are ready, prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little fish sauce, and a small amount of sugar. The soy sauce provides saltiness and color, the oyster sauce adds richness and umami, the fish sauce adds a deeper savory character, and the sugar balances the saltiness and chili heat. You can adjust the sauce according to your taste, but remember that the sauce will become concentrated as it cooks. For an extra spicy version, you can add a little chili sauce or crushed chili flakes to the mixture. Now place a wok or large skillet over high heat. Thai basil chicken is best cooked quickly over high heat because this helps create a slightly smoky, roasted flavor. Add a small amount of cooking oil and let it become hot. Once the oil is ready, add the chopped garlic and fresh chilies. Stir them quickly for a few seconds until they become fragrant. Be careful when cooking fresh chilies over high heat because their aroma can become quite strong. If you have sensitive eyes or lungs, make sure your cooking area is well ventilated. Once the garlic and chili become fragrant, add the chicken. Spread it across the surface of the pan and allow it to cook for a short moment before stirring. This gives the chicken a chance to develop some browning. Break up ground chicken with your spatula and continue stirring until the chicken is evenly cooked. As the chicken cooks, the garlic and chili will combine with the meat, creating an incredibly aromatic mixture. Once the chicken is mostly cooked, pour in the prepared sauce. Stir everything together so the sauce coats every piece of chicken. Continue cooking for another minute or two, allowing the sauce to reduce slightly and become concentrated. You should see the chicken becoming glossy as it absorbs the savory mixture. If the pan becomes too dry, you can add a small splash of water or chicken stock. This will help loosen the sauce and create enough moisture to coat the chicken. Now comes the most important ingredient, the basil. Turn the heat slightly lower and add a generous handful of fresh basil leaves. Toss the basil into the hot chicken and sauce. The heat will quickly wilt the leaves while releasing their unmistakable aroma. You do not need to cook the basil for a long time. Just stir until the leaves are slightly wilted and evenly distributed throughout the chicken. At this point, the kitchen should be filled with the incredible smell of garlic, chili, savory sauce, and fresh basil. Taste the chicken and adjust the seasoning if necessary. If you want more heat, add another chopped chili. If the flavor needs more saltiness, add a small amount of soy sauce or fish sauce. If the dish tastes too salty or spicy, a tiny amount of sugar can help balance the flavors. Remember that Thai cooking is often about achieving a balance between salty, sweet, spicy, and aromatic flavors. Once the seasoning is right, remove the pan from the heat. Your Thai spicy basil chicken is now ready to serve. The traditional way to enjoy this dish is with hot steamed jasmine rice. Spoon a generous amount of spicy basil chicken over the rice and let the savory sauce soak into the grains. The rice provides a mild and comforting contrast to the intense flavors of the chicken. For an extra special touch, prepare a crispy fried egg. Heat a little oil in a separate pan and fry an egg until the edges become golden and crispy while the center remains soft. Place the fried egg on top of the basil chicken and rice. When you cut into the egg, the creamy yolk mixes with the spicy chicken and rice, creating an incredibly satisfying combination. One of the best things about Thai spicy basil chicken is how easy it is to customize. You can use ground chicken, chopped chicken thighs, or chicken breast. You can add sliced onions, bell peppers, green beans, or baby corn for extra vegetables and texture. Some versions also include mushrooms or other fresh vegetables. However, if you want the basil and chili flavors to remain the main focus, keep the vegetable addition simple. You can also adjust the spice level depending on who you are cooking for. For a mild version, use just 1 or 2 mild chilies. For medium heat, add several fresh chilies. For a serious spicy food challenge, use Thai bird's eye chilies and combine them with chili flakes or a spicy chili sauce. The key is to increase the heat gradually so you can still enjoy the other flavors. When cooking Thai spicy basil chicken, there are a few simple techniques that can make a big difference. First, make sure your pan is hot before adding the ingredients. A hot pan helps the chicken brown and prevents it from becoming watery. Second, prepare everything before you begin cooking. This recipe moves quickly, so you do not want to be chopping ingredients while the chicken is already in the pan. Third, do not overcook the basil. Adding it near the end preserves its fresh aroma and gives the dish its signature fragrance. Another important tip is to taste your sauce before adding all of it to the chicken. Different brands of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce have different levels of saltiness. Adjust the amounts based on the ingredients you are using. It is much easier to add more seasoning than to fix a dish that has become too salty. If you want a stronger savory flavor, you can add a little more oyster sauce. If you want a brighter and saltier taste, a small amount of fish sauce can help. For a slightly sweeter flavor, add a little more sugar. Thai spicy basil chicken can also be transformed into a meal prep dish. Cook a larger batch of the chicken mixture and divide it into containers with rice and vegetables. Store the portions properly in the refrigerator and reheat them thoroughly when you are ready to eat. Keep the fried egg separate and prepare it fresh when serving for the best texture. This recipe is also a great option for busy days because the entire cooking process can be completed quickly once all the ingredients are prepared. If you are cooking for a family, you can make a mild batch and provide sliced fresh chilies or chili sauce on the side. This allows each person to control the heat. For people who love spicy food, the extra chilies can turn an already flavorful dish into a fiery meal. For those who prefer less heat, the basil, garlic, and savory sauce still provide plenty of flavor without requiring a large amount of chili. Another reason this dish is so popular is its incredible aroma. When garlic and fresh chilies hit a hot pan, their fragrance immediately fills the kitchen. When the basil is added at the end, the aroma becomes even more distinctive. This makes Thai spicy basil chicken a dish that stimulates the senses before you even take the first bite. The contrast between the spicy chicken and fresh basil creates a flavor combination that is both bold and refreshing. If you want to make this dish even more exciting, you can prepare a simple Thai-style condiment to serve alongside it. Fresh chopped chilies mixed with fish sauce and a squeeze of lime can provide extra saltiness, acidity, and heat. A little cucumber on the side can also provide a cool and refreshing contrast to the spicy chicken. These simple additions can make the meal feel more complete. Thai spicy basil chicken is also a great example of how a few everyday ingredients can create restaurant-quality food at home. You do not need a complicated cooking technique or a long list of ingredients. The most important elements are fresh garlic, fresh chili, flavorful sauce, good quality chicken, and plenty of aromatic basil. Once these ingredients come together in a hot pan, the result is a dish that is spicy, savory, fragrant, and incredibly satisfying. Whether you are preparing a quick dinner for yourself, cooking for your family, or creating a Thai-inspired meal for friends, this recipe is easy to adapt. Serve it with jasmine rice, top it with a crispy fried egg, and adjust the spice level to match your preference. Every bite delivers tender chicken, fragrant basil, spicy chili, and rich savory flavor. The combination is simple but incredibly addictive. So, if you are looking for a quick and flavorful recipe that brings the bold taste of Thai cuisine into your kitchen, Thai spicy basil chicken is an excellent choice. With its fragrant garlic, fiery chilies, tender chicken, savory sauce, and fresh basil, this dish delivers everything you want from a spicy comfort meal. Serve it hot, enjoy it with plenty of rice, and customize the heat to make it exactly the way you like it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.